Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the text effect behind the object in CapCut or PC. Alright, so import your video you like to edit and add the track, and you can add the text. Just click default text or just click text template. For instance, I'm going to select the this text template, and just for the duration, assembling the video, and I'm going to resize. So, and then to make text behind the object, you are just going to select the clips and then right click, select create compound clip, and then you can go to media and add the same video to track. So put as an overlay, put on top another clip, and go to cutout, select out the cutout or remove the background. So you can see this final result. Alright, the text behind the object. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.